Hello everyone. Today you will learn how to get a AI Wallpaper API for lifetime free. This API has unlimited uses. So let's get started. Open your Chrome browser and search for Aivana. Click on the first link appear in search result aivana.in. You have to log in or register to get your API key. So go to profile icon and click on register. You can register this form and you can also register via Google or GitHub. So let's get started. Now I am logged in. So you have to click on get API key. Now you are on API key page, but first time it will ask to generate an API key. So click on generate API key. Now API key is generated successfully. As you can see, our API key is given here. As you can see, the plan expiry is free forever. Also you can check request uses, and also you can mention your custom API endpoints. For example, if you have any Android app or iOS app, anything, then you can use this API endpoints to fetch your remote settings. For example, do you want to change uh, app settings or ad setting? Okay, then you can simply create your API settings file here and upload here in JSON format. Then click on update. Then you can fetch these settings via this API URL. Okay, now this is your API key. In case of our AI Vena app which we created recently, you have to put this API key into gradle.properties file. Let me show you. Open your Android Studio. Go to gradle.properties file and here you have to paste it here. Okay, let me show you. Copy this API key, go to Android Studio, gradle.properties file and delete our key and paste it here your own key. Now click on sync now. That's it. Thanks for watching.